Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marshall, and in this video I'm going to take from the beginning to the end of building my home. Not just in this video, but in future videos to see the entire house and the revealing of the model I picked. So the home name is going to be under the photo, and in the link below you can click on it and view the model. Okay guys, so I hope you love this video. It's going to take you from my previous home we had to sell to the photos of the model homes, stages of building my dream home. So in order to see the home I picked, you guys have to stay in tune, okay? Love this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share. Click the subscribe button with that bell so you can get all the videos up into the finale, guys, and everything in between.
For you I would do anything. Whoa, for you anything.